Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the fabulous fashion choices of the stunning Neha Sharma. From red carpet events to casual outings, Neha never fails to impress with her impeccable style. So, let's take a closer look at some of her standout fashion moments. She effortlessly nails the casual chic look too. Whether it's a simple jeans and tee combo or a flowy summer dress, the actress manages to look effortlessly stylish. Mixing traditional Indian elements with contemporary designs, she creates a unique and eye-catching style that's all her own. Neha's choice of accessories always complements her outfits perfectly. From statement earrings to elegant handbags, she knows how to elevate her look. Hairstyles and makeup play a crucial role in completing Neha's looks. Whether she's rocking sleek straight hair or loose waves, her hair game is always on point. And her makeup choices enhance her natural beauty without overpowering her features. Let's delve into Neha's ethereal ethnic wear. She truly shines in traditional outfits. Whether it's a graceful sari or an intricately embroidered lehenga, her ethnic choices are a blend of elegance and cultural richness. Her monochrome ensembles exude sophistication and simplicity. Whether it's an all-white ensemble or a sleek black outfit, she proves that one color can make a powerful statement. She fearlessly experiments with new styles and sets the bar high for fashion enthusiasts everywhere. From bold patterns to unique silhouettes, Neha's fashion choices inspire many. She also advocates for eco-friendly fashion choices. She's often seen wearing sustainable and eco-conscious brands, promoting the importance of being mindful of our environment while staying stylish. Neha Sharma's fashion journey also includes collaborations with renowned designers. From walking the ramp for fashion weeks to being the face of fashion campaigns, she showcases her versatility by bringing life to the creations of various designers. Another aspect of Neha's fashion choices that often stands out is her ability to draw inspiration from different eras. Vintage fashion finds its way into her wardrobe, whether it's through retro prints, classic silhouettes, or nostalgic accessories. The actress' dedication to fitness seamlessly blends with her fashion choices. Her athleisure looks are a mix of comfort and style, showing us that you can look chic even while hitting the gym or going for a jog. She experiments with unconventional cuts, daring necklines, and bold color choices, proving that red carpet fashion can be both sophisticated and adventurous. She has managed to create her own signature style. It's a harmonious blend of elegance, confidence, and individuality. Her fashion journey is a testament to how personal style evolves and grows. Neha's fashion choices adapt seamlessly to different seasons. From cozy winter layers to breezy summer ensembles, she knows how to stay on trend while embracing the essence of each season. Let's take a closer look at how she navigates fashion throughout the year. What's truly commendable about Neha is her ability to find fashionable pieces that are accessible to everyone. She often mixes high-end designer items with high-street fashion, proving that great style doesn't always come with a hefty price tag. Her fashion choices reflect a global perspective, showcasing her appreciation for diverse cultures. She seamlessly incorporates elements from different parts of the world, creating a unique fashion narrative that resonates with a global audience. She uses her influence for meaningful causes. She's often seen supporting charitable initiatives and raising awareness through her fashion choices. Whether it's sustainable fashion or promoting social causes, she shows us that fashion can be a powerful tool for change. Neha's impact on the fashion world extends to her fans as well. Many look up to her as a style icon and draw inspiration from her outfits. Social media platforms are flooded with fan recreations of her looks, proving that her influence goes beyond the silver screen. Let's turn our attention to Neha's mesmerizing hairstyles that have left us all in awe. Her hair game is as strong as her fashion choices, and she's proven time and again that she can effortlessly switch between various hairstyles. One of Neha's go-to hairstyles is the timeless sleek and straight look. Whether it's for red carpet events or casual outings, her perfectly straightened locks exude sophistication and elegance. When she opts for a more relaxed vibe, she often rocks boho waves or beachy textured hair. These styles give her a carefree yet chic appearance, perfect for those casual days out. Glamorous curls are another signature look for Neha. Whether she's attending a glamorous event or making a stylish appearance, her voluminous curls add a touch of drama to her overall look. The actress' versatility shines through when she experiments with playful ponytails and elegant updos. These hairstyles are perfect for keeping her hair off her face while maintaining a stylish and put-together appearance. Her fashion journey has also seen her rocking shorter hair lengths. From chic bobs to trendy pixie cuts, she's proven that short hair can be just as fashionable and versatile. To elevate her hairstyles, she often incorporates stunning hair accessories. From decorative hairpins to elegant headbands, these accessories add a unique touch to her looks and showcase her attention to detail. She's dabbled in various shades, from classic brunette to bold highlights, showcasing her adventurous spirit. Neha Sharma's half-up half-down hairstyles are the epitome of elegance. Whether she's attending a formal event or casual gathering, this versatile hairstyle adds a touch of femininity while allowing her to showcase her gorgeous locks. When she wants to add an edgy twist to her hairstyles, she often incorporates braids. From intricate braided updos to stylish braided crowns, these looks bring a sense of uniqueness and creativity to her overall appearance. Neha's effortless messy bun is the perfect blend of casual and chic. This hairstyle complements her fashion choices while giving her a relaxed yet stylish look. From classic Victory rolls to elegant vintage curls, she adds a touch of old Hollywood charm to her modern fashion sensibilities. The actress' minimalist ponytail exudes sophistication. Whether she's on the go or attending an event, this understated hairstyle never fails to make a statement. Neha's hairstyle versatility also extends to experimenting with hair extensions. Whether she's adding length, volume, or trying out different textures, she showcases how hair extensions can transform her overall look. Neha's timeless center part is a hairstyle that she can effortlessly pull off. Whether she's wearing her hair down or styling it up, the center part adds balance and symmetry to her overall appearance. Let's dive into the world of Neha Sharma's flawless makeup looks. Just like her fashion choices and hairstyles, her makeup game is equally on point. Whether it's a natural glow or a bold statement, she knows how to enhance her features with precision. One of Neha's signature makeup looks is her fresh-faced natural beauty. She often lets her skin breathe with minimal makeup, showcasing her radiant complexion and enhancing her features with light and neutral tones. When Neha wants to make a statement, she often turns to the timeless classic bold red lips. Her red lip looks exude confidence and glamour, proving that a red lip can elevate any outfit. Her smoky eyes and dramatic eyeliner create an alluring gaze that perfectly complements her fashion choices. Achieving a dewy, radiant complexion is another makeup artistry that Neha masters. Her skin often glows with the help of strategically placed highlighter, giving her a luminous and youthful appearance. Neha's flawless makeup base is the canvas for her entire look. With expert contouring and subtle shading, she adds dimension to her face, creating a polished and sculpted appearance. As we wrap up our exploration of Neha Sharma's makeup looks, let's take a journey through her makeup evolution over the years. When Neha adorns herself in traditional ethnic wear, her makeup perfectly complements the richness of her outfits. Her traditional makeup looks often include intricate designs on her eyelids, and she embraces deep, vibrant hues that resonate with her cultural heritage. The actress' ability to carry off minimal makeup is a testament to her natural beauty. Even with just a touch of mascara, a subtle blush, and a nude lip, she manages to achieve an effortlessly chic look that's perfect for everyday outings. One standout feature of Neha's makeup looks is her impeccable eyebrow game. She often rocks statement eyebrows that frame her face beautifully. Coupled with her defined eyes, her makeup speaks volumes without being too overpowering. Her makeup looks also include moments of glossy lips and glitter glam. She knows how to play with textures, adding a touch of shine and sparkle to her lips and eyelids for a glamorous and fun twist. Neha's makeup looks also evolve with the seasons. She embraces seasonal makeup trends, whether it's embracing warm tones in autumn or opting for pastel shades in spring. She's collaborated with makeup artists and brands to create stunning looks. Additionally, she often shares makeup tutorials, giving her fans an insight into how she achieves her signature looks. To truly understand Neha's makeup choices, we've delved into her makeup philosophy. She often emphasizes the importance of feeling comfortable in one's own skin and using makeup as a tool for enhancing one's confidence. Let's explore the world of Neha Sharma's accessories, the finishing touches that elevate her style to a whole new level. Her collection of accessories ranges from delicate to statement pieces, and she knows how to use them to enhance her outfits. Neha's choice of earrings adds a touch of elegance to her overall look. From intricate studs to dangling chandeliers, she effortlessly switches between different earring styles to suit the occasion and her outfit. When it comes to necklaces and pendants, she often selects pieces that become the focal point of her outfit, whether it's a chunky statement necklace or a unique pendant. The actress' wrists are often adorned with stylish bracelet stacks and arm candy. She knows how to layer bracelets of different styles and materials, creating a boho chic or sophisticated look depending on her mood. Her fingers often showcase a range of rings, from delicate bands to eye-catching statement pieces. Her ring game adds a touch of personality to her look, and she's not afraid to mix and match styles. Belts are another accessory Neha utilizes to cinch her style. She knows how to use a belt to define her waistline and create a flattering silhouette, whether it's with a flowy dress or a tailored outfit. Neha's handbag choices are just as stylish as her outfits. She often carries designer handbags that complement her ensemble while being functional. Whether it's a tote, a clutch, or a crossbody, her handbags complete her look. Sunglasses and hats play a role in her style game too. Whether she's shielding her eyes from the sun or adding a touch of mystery, her choice of eyewear and hats is always on point. Neha's accessories collection also includes scarves and shawls that she uses to add an extra layer of style to her outfits. Whether it's a cozy winter scarf or an elegant silk shawl, she knows how to use these accessories to enhance her overall look. Brooches and pins are often underrated accessories, but she knows how to make them shine. She uses these small yet impactful accessories to add a touch of personality and charm to her outfits. Her accessory game doesn't stop at the wrists and neck. Her choice of anklets and footwear is equally stylish. Whether it's delicate anklets or statement shoes, she ensures her entire ensemble is coordinated. Timepieces are another accessory that Neha effortlessly incorporates into her looks. Whether it's a classic watch or a stack of bracelets, she knows how to strike a balance between functionality and style. What sets Neha apart is her ability to integrate cultural and artistic accessories into her outfits. Whether it's traditional jewelry from different regions or handmade artistic pieces, she showcases her appreciation for various art forms. Personalized accessories are a special touch in her style arsenal. Whether it's a necklace with her initials or a bracelet with a meaningful charm, she knows how to make her accessories a reflection of her personality. Her accessory choices don't stop at clothing. She's known to accessorize her hair as well. From hairpins with intricate designs to headbands with embellishments, she adds flair to her hairstyles. The actress often graces the pages of fashion magazines with her elegant fashion editorials. These photo shoots are a blend of high fashion and artistic vision, showcasing her ability to transform and embody different styles. Neha's red carpet appearances are a spectacle on their own, and her red carpet photo shoots capture the essence of these events. Her poised poses and confident demeanor shine through, making each red carpet moment memorable. In some of her photo shoots, she takes on conceptual and avant-garde themes. These photo shoots push boundaries, exploring artistic expressions and unique concepts that challenge traditional norms. Neha's photo shoots often make use of breathtaking outdoor settings. Whether it's against a natural landscape or an urban backdrop, she effortlessly blends with her surroundings, creating a visual harmony. The elegance of monochrome and black and white photo shoots adds a timeless touch to Neha's portfolio. These photo shoots capture the essence of her style while evoking a sense of nostalgia. But what's even more fascinating is the behind-the-scenes glimpse of Neha's photo shoots. From candid moments to wardrobe changes, these snippets show the hard work and fun that go into creating these stunning visuals. Her photo shoots are a collaborative effort, often involving talented photographers, makeup artists, stylists, and creative directors. These teams work together to bring her visions to life and create memorable imagery. The actress' photo shoots sometimes pay homage to iconic scenes from movies and cinema. These photo shoots capture the essence of cinematic nostalgia while infusing her own style into the tribute. In certain photo shoots, her channels vintage glamour, transporting us to eras of old Hollywood or classic elegance. These shoots showcase her ability to embody different time periods while staying true to her modern sensibilities. Neha's cultural roots often find expression in her photo shoots. She takes us on a visual journey through cultural celebrations, festivals, and traditional attire, providing a glimpse into her heritage. Some of her most captivating photo shoots capture a range of emotions. From joy and laughter to introspection and contemplation, these visuals tell stories that go beyond the outfits and locations. Neha's photo shoots also reflect her style evolution over the years. From her initial days in the industry to her current status as a fashion icon, these photo shoots offer a glimpse into her transformative journey. Her commitment to fitness is often portrayed through her photo shoots. Whether she's showcasing yoga poses or engaging in outdoor activities, these photo shoots capture her dedication to a healthy and active lifestyle. Let's delve deeper into Neha Sharma's traditional photo shoots, where she brings out the essence of cultural heritage and timeless elegance. These photo shoots capture the grace and beauty of traditional attire while showcasing her ability to seamlessly blend tradition with contemporary style. In her traditional photo shoots, she often dons exquisite ethnic ensembles that pay tribute to the rich cultural tapestry of India. From regal saris to intricately embroidered lehengas, each outfit tells a story of its own. The actress' traditional photo shoots also celebrate the diverse cultures and regions of India. She effortlessly embodies the distinct aesthetics of various regions, showcasing her appreciation for the country's rich heritage. What adds to the charm of Neha's traditional photo shoots is her choice of timeless jewelry. She often adorns herself with intricate jhumkas, statement necklaces, and bangles that beautifully complement her traditional ensembles. In some of her traditional photo shoots, she captures the aura of royalty and opulence. These visuals transport us to eras of grandeur, where she exudes regal elegance fit for a queen. What sets her traditional photo shoots apart is her ability to fuse modern elements with traditional attire. Whether it's contemporary makeup, unconventional poses, or trendy hairstyles, she strikes a perfect balance. She often uses her traditional photo shoots to raise awareness for social causes and cultural preservation. Her photos carry powerful messages that resonate with her audience. Let's shift our focus to Neha Sharma's Western choices, where she embraces contemporary fashion trends and effortlessly rocks Western ensembles. Her Western-inspired photo shoots showcase her versatility and ability to adapt to different styles. Neha's casual Western photo shoots capture her cool and laid-back vibe. Whether it's a simple jeans and tee combo or a comfy sweater dress, she knows how to rock everyday looks with style. Just as she stuns on the red carpet in traditional attire, Neha's Western red carpet looks are equally captivating. Her gowns, jumpsuits, and tailored suits exude Hollywood glamour and confidence. Her urban street-style photo shoots capture the essence of city life and modern fashion. From edgy leather jackets to statement sneakers, she effortlessly blends comfort with chic streetwear. Denim is a staple in Neha's Western wardrobe, and her denim-themed photo shoots showcase her love for this versatile fabric. From denim jackets to distressed jeans, she rocks denim in various forms. When it comes to dresses, her Western photo shoots demonstrate her penchant for effortless elegance. Whether it's a flowy maxi dress or a structured midi, she knows how to make a statement. Neha's Western choices often include playful prints that reflect her vibrant personality. Let's take a closer look at Neha's casual fashion choices, where she effortlessly masters the art of casual chic. Her casual ensembles capture her relaxed yet stylish approach to everyday fashion. Denim is a constant in Neha's casual wardrobe, and her denim-on-denim looks are a testament to her love for this versatile fabric. From denim jackets to distressed jeans, she proves that denim is the ultimate casual staple. Graphic tees and statement tops play a significant role in Neha's casual fashion choices. She knows how to make a statement with her wardrobe, whether it's through witty slogans, iconic logos, or artistic designs. She effortlessly embraces the athleisure trend, and her athleisure-inspired looks are the epitome of comfort and style. From leggings paired with oversized sweaters to sporty tracksuits, she nails the art of looking chic while staying comfortable. Jumpsuits and rompers are go-to choices for Neha's casual outings. These one-piece wonders offer her an easy yet fashionable way to pull off a complete outfit without much effort. Layering is another styling technique that Neha excels at in her casual choices. Whether it's a cozy cardigan over a tee or a denim jacket paired with a sundress, she knows how to create dimension in her outfits. When the weather turns cooler, Neha's casual fashion transitions to comfy sweaters and knits. She knows how to stay cozy while maintaining her chic style, whether it's with oversized sweaters or stylish knit dresses. Her casual choices often channel bohemian vibes. Flowy maxi dresses, peasant tops, and fringe details are just a few elements that capture her free-spirited and boho chic approach to fashion. Let's dive into Neha Sharma's dynamic street-style choices, where she effortlessly combines fashion with urban edge. Her street-style ensembles capture the spirit of the city and showcase her ability to turn heads even on the sidewalks. Her street style often features edgy leather elements. From leather jackets to leather pants, she adds a touch of rebellion to her looks, creating a captivating blend of toughness and chic. In her street style choices, she knows the power of statement sneakers. Whether it's bold colors, unique patterns, or chunky designs, she effortlessly pairs these sneakers with her outfits, adding a dose of urban cool. Layering is a key element of Neha's street style game. She skillfully combines different pieces, like oversized tees, hoodies, and lightweight jackets, creating a laid-back yet fashion-forward aesthetic. Distressed denim is a staple in Neha's street-style wardrobe. Whether it's ripped jeans or a denim jacket with a worn-in look, she embraces the grunge-inspired trend while adding her signature flair. Bold prints and patterns are a standout feature in Neha's street-style choices. She's not afraid to mix and match patterns, creating vibrant and eye-catching looks that celebrate individuality. Oversized pieces are a hallmark of Neha's street style. Whether it's oversized sweaters, baggy jeans, or roomy coats, she masters the art of comfortable yet stylish silhouettes. Accessories play a crucial role in Neha's street style game. She often incorporates urban accessories like chain necklaces, chunky belts, and statement sunglasses, adding an extra layer of attitude to her outfits. Let's venture into the sun-soaked world of Neha's beach photo shoots, where she effortlessly captures the allure of coastal beauty and beachside elegance. These photo shoots transport us to serene shores while showcasing her ability to bring sophistication to sandy settings. Her beach photo shoots often feature her in a variety of swimwear styles that perfectly complement her figure and style. Whether it's classic one-pieces or trendy bikinis, she exudes confidence and grace. She knows the art of pairing stylish cover-ups with her swimwear. Whether it's a sheer kimono, a breezy kaftan, or a playful sarong, she adds a touch of flair to her beach looks. Maxi dresses are another favorite of Neha's for beach photoshoots. These long, flowing dresses capture the essence of beachside relaxation while maintaining her signature style. Accessories play a vital role in Neha's beach photoshoots. Whether it's oversized sunglasses, floppy hats, or statement necklaces, she knows how to elevate her beachside looks with the right accessories. Neha's beach photoshoots often capture the essence of barefoot chic. She effortlessly walks along the shoreline, embodying the carefree spirit of the beach while showcasing her impeccable fashion sense. She demonstrates her styling prowess in beach cover-ups. She knows how to create versatile looks by layering her swimwear with cover-ups that seamlessly transition from beach to beachside cafes. Let's take a comprehensive look at the overarching allure of her fashion choices. Neha's style is a beautiful mosaic of versatility, creativity, and confidence which she effortlessly showcases in every outfit. She has an innate ability to infuse elegance with a modern twist. Whether it's traditional attire or Western ensembles, she adds her unique touch, creating a harmonious blend of classic and contemporary. One of the defining aspects of Neha's style is her fearless approach to experimentation. She's never afraid to push boundaries, whether it's through bold prints, unconventional combinations, or daring accessories. Neha's style choices radiate confidence and self-assuredness. Whether she's on the red carpet, at the beach, or on the streets, her poised demeanor and stylish outfits showcase her unwavering confidence. Her style is a true reflection of her personality. Whether she's embracing casual chic or glamorous ensembles, she uses her clothing as a canvas to express her individuality and charisma. From her hairstyles to her accessories, every element of her look is thoughtfully curated, creating a cohesive and visually pleasing ensemble. Neha's style seamlessly transitions across various occasions. Whether it's red carpet events, casual outings, or beach photoshoots, she effortlessly adapts her style to suit the setting, demonstrating her versatility. There you have it, a closer look at Neha Sharma's sensational fashion choices. From red carpet glamour to everyday chic, she consistently proves her fashionista status. Which of her looks do you admire the most? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.